creeping up on me like that? How did you even get in? Didn't I tell you to text me first? What time do you call this?
I'm sorry, my darling Rubes. It's just I got lost in this labyrinth of a place.
This isn't the first time, Will. You're always late. I can't believe you.
I know, but come on, let's get going. Our table's been ready for hours.
Whose fault is that? I'm not hungry anymore. Please just take me home.
Oh, wait, Rubes, I'm sorry. I've got some bad news. I have to tell you. I'm afraid Daisy May has eaten the Budgies. Both Buddy and Chloe are gone.
Oh my God. How did that happen? I thought you were at home today.
I was. I don't know. I guess she was just hungry, like me.
You lying bastard! Bloody cheek! What god-awful place are you taking us to this time?